Assalamualaikum and greeting to Sir Idain and everyone. We are from Bmkh S1 2022 2024. We will presenting to you our project racing mini for the wheel drive. The assigned tasks for each member are as follows. First, Bmma Faiz is assigned tasks encompassing measurement, sketching parts and assembling component. Additionally, he is tasked with creating animation for the project. Second, Muhammad Ijal is responsible for sketching the majority of inner parts and employing the feature of the explode view. Third, Akil Daniel is assigned to sketching parts and in addition to editing or modifying drawings and preparing presentation slides. Fourth, Amir Shafiq, that is myself, are tasked with measuring and assessing the body part, also known as the chassis. Furthermore, I am involved in assisting in the preparation of the project report. Lastly, Muhammad Amiruddin, he is responsible for measuring and sketching spoiler parts. Additionally, he has contributed to the preparation of the project alongside Amir Shafiq, that is me. In conclusion, all team members collaborate and offer assistance to one another in addressing any challenge encountered during the execution of the task. Our component profile. Tamiya Incorporated, that is a Japanese manufacturer of classic model kits, battery and solar power education of models, and various modeling tools and supplies. The company was founded by Yoshio Tamiya in Shizuoka, Japan in 1914. A brief overview project. The Dash X1 Proto Emperor, a racing four-wheel drive car manufactured by Tamiya, revealed its introduction in November 1990. Initially conceived as a limited edition body set for the Tamiya Autumn Cup tournament during the 1990s, it subsequently became accessible as a limited edition mini four-wheel drive kit with VS chassis on November 28, 2009. For your reference, this represents the final design of our project model. The content of this slide presents a prototype model that is undergoing research and development at that time before official release on 2009. In this project, our group will collaborate on the product development of mechanical devices, focusing on the following objective. First, acquiring fundamental knowledge on technical skill in 3D solid modeling using industry-proven 3D mechanical CAD software to enhance our cognitive capabilities. Second, engaging in hand-on project exercise and learning best practice method to improve our skill in assembly, drafting and structural analysis as part of the course. Third, collaboratively contributing to the development and fabrication of a more user-friendly and affordable racing mini four-wheel drive.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Muhammad Amiruddin bin Abdul Aziz. My entry number B132310-285. I would like to present about scope of our project. The main point of the text is that the Racing Mini 4-wheel drive project aims to develop and refine high-performance miniature racing cars by focusing on chassis innovation, motor and power systems, aerodynamics and body design, tire and suspension optimization, and sustainability consideration in order to provide a compelling and competitive racing experience for enthusiasts. Next is problem statement. It is crucial to acknowledge and tackle this obstacle for the progression of the pastime, fostering a more satisfying and competitive ambience. Our objective is to enrich the Racing Mini 4-wheel drive experience by methodically addressing this issue, making it more accessible, enjoyable, and environmentally responsible. Next is short brief about our group project. The Racing Mini 4-wheel drive is a miniature 4-wheel drive racing car has gained global popularity among hobbyists and racing fans. It offers an engaging racing experience with its compact size, customizable feature, and evolution in design and technology, making it a symbol of creativity and community engagement in the racing circuit.
Next, when we want to do the project, of course, we have our vision and our vision. For my group, our vision is to discuss, feature and some problem focus on this project to expect the best achievement result of the project. And for our vision is to understand the process in making good Tamiya model. Look at on this slide. On this slide show the project we are doing. Look at the picture. That's our project after adding all the parts that have been given. Next we go to the design process. This is the method when we use doing this project. when we want to make the part, this is method we use like a line, circle, rectangle, plane, dimension, tray, extrude, loft, third, extrude cut, thread, fillet, mirror, circle pattern, shell, ribbon arc, and revolve and combine. It's all that we use for make the part. Next, we go into flowchart process. First, project management, and then prototype design, review conception design, check compliance of all part and their availability, and then final design approval. After final design approved, we start project. First is assemble part. After disassemble part, we're going to measure of all the part using vernier caliper and ruler mostly. And then after measure, we're going to sketch for each part on Solidwork. After sketch, we're going to assemble of all part in assembly. And then after assemble, we're going to make drawing part. After all done, we're going to do the analysis. After settle for analysis, and lastly, we create the video motion.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Isla Siddiqui bin Aidil. My matric number is 1323139 from Bmkh. Today I will talk about dimension apparatus, assembly view, exploder sketch, exploder view, and boom. First, about dimension apparatus. For this project, we only using two tools for measure the part. First, we using a vernier caliper and ruler. For vernier caliper, we using to measure the large part such as the body and the chassis. For small part such as a gear, roller, and tire, we using a ruler to easy taking the reading note. For assembly view, we create a complex part of the model such as body, chassis, gear, roller, and spoiler. Then we combine them to get the final product. By refer the slide, this is the final view of model that we combine all of them to get this view.
This slide shows the orthographic view of our group project assembly. That is 3-section view of our assembly group. The first row in the left side of this page is section A to A that show view of the left side of our assembly project. The bottom of that show that section B to B that show view of our back assembly group. And the bottom of that show that section C to C that show the project assembly, the front of our group project assembly.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Akil Daniel bin Muhammad Rasid and my matrix number is B132310160. So now I am going to present the materials of parts in this Tamiya model car. The most parts of materials that used in this Tamiya model car is first, we have custom plastics, and second, we have IC 1035 steel, and the third, we have alloy steel, and last, we have rubber that's only used in tire part. So I will continue again my slide, and the slide shows the simulation analysis, which is I choose the spoiler, body, and chassis parts. In these slides, the test that we did is the static test. So the static test is used to calculate the stresses of model to determine the responses of the parts due to effect of forces and pressure. So we put load of 100 Newton on all of the parts in this Tamiya model car. So the result is the value shows the level of the stresses. The places where red color are the highest stress and the lowest stress are the blue color. So these are the result, which is stress, displacement, strain, and factory of safety for the base cases, body, and spoiler parts. And this is the exploded animation that we use rotate model, explode, and collapse for 40 seconds. So next, this is the computational fluid dynamic simulation, or CFD. So in this simulation, we choose 3D simulation computational domain. For the fluid type, in the fluid subdomain, we took the air gases and the flow parameters. We set 6.07 meter per second. And for the cut plot, we choose front plane as a selection. For the flow trajectories, we choose right plane as a starting point. And the appearance, we choose line with arrows, and the number of arrows is 100. Alhamdulillah, that's all our presentation about Tamiya model car. For the last, I want to thanks to all my group partners because giving high commitment and enthusiasm in completing this project. A lot of thanks also to our lecturer, Technologist Ida Fahmi, because giving us guidance from zero to hero in Solidwork software. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.